My band are rooting into the telly chinlahan. I was like watching something on the television the other day. Clar, the Pierce Brosnan on Mob Land. It's called Mob Land. As Jillian's with it, ufasach. It's crap, really bad. And on the good show, well, tan Clara Hain, Carcalor, the actual show itself, a kid episode. We said Carcalor, Magalor is okay. I said, Rudach, ask a more from the ufasach. Na Canonchi v Pierce Brosnan agus Helen Mirren, Helen Mirren, yeah. The accents. The show itself is okay. Sorry, I've only seen one episode. Ní mé ma bracha, ní ma ger ban rist. Ach, Pierce Brosnan is in it and Helen Mirren. Their accents, stage Irish accents, fasach donna. Gillian swear their accents in it is so bad, so crap. Gillian, and Homs, near man an Giro, man, hello, Ross the kind, Marajara Merla cringe, as you'd say in English, cringe. I much of a brand away, a piece of spray if you want to watch it as a bit of fun. Does it? Arno's Wild Mountain Time. It's a bit like Wild Mountain Time, except with sort of gangsters. You know, the sort. Except it's kind of set in a gangster, mobland. Mobland is the name of it. Ach, tan a canóid Gillian smúir chodonna le. It's a multa go mar, that's at IMDb, that's up go ceir again, on IMDb it has about 8.4. Based in America, the SAS, maybe the Americans or the English are rating it high. They don't realise how awful the accents are, or attempted accents. Ní the sam. Ach, just me get chud smuintúr, I just want to share my thoughts about that. Húdinse, my other na canóid húdinse CS Jecho. Because of the accents, I'd give it a 3 out of 10. Even though the story or the acting might be okay, but just na canóid. Me get ar na macra. Sné mar slán go fóil.